We are at Silverstone, which is the home of British motorsport, and we're here to compete in the final round of the City Car Cup Championship and the Student Motorsport Challenge. There are an array of colleges and universities that are competing against each other, both in the pits and on the track. So it's a great way to get the students some practical experience in a motorsport environment. The students have been involved with this project from the very start. So they've been building the car in the workshop, converting it from an original road car into a race car, stripping out all the interior. They've been upgrading all of the suspension, the chassis. Everything's all been done by the students as much as possible.
It's quite immense being at Silverstone. I didn't think I'd be here within 6 weeks of being at Coleg Gwent. Me and the other students are involved by working on the car, making sure all the torques and the bolts are right, all the fuel's right, and making sure it's all safe for George to race.
We decided to get involved in the City Car Cup because we thought it would give our students a practical and real experience in an environment that they would never otherwise be able to be working in. So this is really, for the students, an opportunity to gain some valuable experience that they can put on their CVs when they finish their college course.
It's inspired me to think about going to university and studying motorsport or something similar to working at Silverstone. I'd recommend my course to anyone, if they want to go to Coleg Gwent. You learn a lot on it and it's a lot better than school. They treat you like adults as well, and then you get cool experiences like going out to Silverstone and many other racetracks.